of enchilada sauce. Hello and welcome back to Burning Daylight. I am Maria Antoinette, and today we are going to be doing 3 Instant Pot recipes. That means I have you guys covered for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and I'm saving you a lot of time because we have Mr. Insta here to help us out. Let's get started with our breakfast. So I'm going to be making a giant pancake. I love the idea of being able to sit down and have a wonderful breakfast every day with my family, but that's just not my reality. So with this amazing recipe, I'm able to mix it all in together, throw it in my Instapot, and go and get Garrison ready, get myself ready, and then we can come down and eat together. Not only are we making a large pancake, we are making a protein pancake. And I don't know about you, but my 4-year-old is anti-meat, and all he wants to live on is crackers, so this is right up our alley. So we're gonna start with protein pancake mix. I'm just gonna throw that into our large bowl. We're gonna add in our milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then we're going to add just 2 eggs. We're gonna simply whisk all of this together. What I love about this is the prep on this is super simple. It's almost like mix it, throw it in there, and forget it. With that all mixed and ready, I'm gonna set that to the side and get my pot set up. Your first step is going to be spraying in your cooking oil. I'm using a canola oil. You can use whatever your preference of oil is, maybe even a coconut oil, might give it a sweet taste. The next step is going to be pouring in my pancake mix. Look at that. We are going to be using this on a manual setting on a low heat for 40 minutes. All right. And just like that, we are ready to get this pancake out of here. Okay, so I'm gonna take my spatula, just kind of work it around the edge. Now, how perfect is that? My God, I wish you guys can smell this. It smells amazing. We're gonna garnish it, and my family is ready to sit down and have an amazing breakfast. Real talk, guys, there are so many days where my lunch consists of a bag of chips, but today's recipe is going to allow me to make something quick and healthy that my family and I can really indulge in. We are going to be making buffalo chicken lettuce wraps. This is the simplest recipe of all, I think. We're literally going to throw our ingredients in this Instapot and keep it moving. Starting with my chicken breast, my broth. This bowl has all of the magic in it. We have my onions, garlic, and celery stick. And last but certainly not least, buffalo wing sauce. Seriously, you guys thought I was joking when I said this one was the easiest. So we're gonna change our settings to meat for 15 minutes on high, and we're just gonna forget about it. See you guys in a bit. Our chicken is all done. Ooh, you guys, smells so good. Time to shred it up. Time to construct our lettuce wraps. A little bit of celery. Some carrots, because we can't have buffalo anything without carrots. Blue cheese crumbles. And if you're really into the blue cheese, a little bit of blue cheese salad dressing. We've done breakfast, we've done lunch, and now we're about to complete our dinner with our Instapot. We are going to be making chicken enchiladas with tostadas. And I already have my Instapot preheating on saute, which is a medium heat. Let's go ahead and get the rest of this stuff prepped. So the first step is to season our chicken. I'm going to be using a little bit of salt and pepper. Throw in a little bit of cooking oil. We're gonna take our chicken. So we're gonna let that sear on both sides for about a minute each side. All right, with our chicken brown, we're gonna go ahead and pull that out and set it aside. And now we're going to add in our onions, and we're going to let that cook down until they turn translucent. Now it's time to throw in our garlic. Garlic cooks really fast, so this only needs to go alone for a couple of seconds. God, this smells so good. With all of our aromatics all done, we're gonna go ahead and throw our chicken back in. I'm gonna add in my enchilada sauce. Once we get the lid on, I'm going to switch my pot over to pressure, which is the manual setting, on high for 10 minutes, and we are good to go. Now it's time for the finishing touches. Next step is shredding our chicken. With our chicken all shredded, we are going to add in our Greek yogurt for that amazing creamy effect. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so good. All right, let's get these things assembled. Chicken mix, gonna layer in our fixings. Another tostada. This looks so good. And our final layer. And it's time to get these on the table. Ooh, I can't wait to dig in. For more family-friendly recipes, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.